Looking for the best game feeders? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 game feeders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Moultrie Spincast Deer Feeder. This unique, tripod-style game feeder is built with a digital timer that allows you to set up to 4 feeding times per day. Feeding times range from 1 to 20 seconds and will keep deer and other wildlife fed throughout the day. A quick clock system makes this game feeder easy to set up and maintain. Metal spinner plate keeps feed from being swept away by the wind. Equipped with everything you need and more in a game feeder, this one gets the job done for you with the features it offers. Requires batteries to work properly. However, this feeder can be attached to Moultrie solar-powered sources. At number 2. Wildgame Innovations TreeHugger Deer Feeder. Allowing for up to 100 pounds of feed carrying capacity, this feeder is gravity-fed and made from durable and waterproof PVC material that functions properly, even in rainy conditions. Heavy-duty straps and buckles make it easy to set up and take down in 5 minutes or less. Easily portable and won't break the bank with purchase. This is ideal for hunters who are on the go and looking for a game feeder to go with them. While this hanging feeder is ideal for deer, be careful of squirrels in the area. Buyers noted squirrels can chew straight through the bag. At number 1. Moultrie Pro Magnum Deer Feeder Kit. Equipped with a built-in varmint guard, this heavy-duty, metal construction game feeder has everything you need. The digital timer allows for up to 6 feeding times and is versatile enough to be used on a bucket or a larger drum. A deluxe game feeder that takes the fuss out of feeding. Simple yet solid. This product only provides the spreader. You need to provide your own drum for holding feed. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.